So first up is getting those blinking lights on the danger ball and danger towers. Alright, so there's what, 18 different little tasks that I just did. We'll get some solder here, worry about the heat shrink after. Now normally I'd be using the helping hands to hold this in place. So not having any means this is going to be that much more difficult. If not close to impossible. Thinking about it, I haven't seen the helping hands in a long time, but I haven't been looking for them either. Of course, they could be sitting right next to me in plain sight, but you never know about that kind of thing. I mean, what are the odds, right? Now we'll get this done a little faster. Well, if not faster, at least a little easier. Oh, for the moment I'm done with soldering, but there is more to do. There is no right length for all of this. You can do it really tight, really long. Either way works. You can see that preparation time can definitely take quite a while, and it's not something I always count on when I'm factoring in how long something will take, unfortunately.